In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to enable camera access on TikTok on your iPhone and iPad. And yeah, let's get started right away. So a lot of people say if you go to the settings and then scroll down till you see TikTok, let's see where it is at. Here, they say you just have to go over here and then enable this right there, the camera access. But for a lot of people, this camera icon right here is not showing up, and I don't know why. I think it's kind of a bug, and it's been here for a long time, and they still haven't fixed this. Where in the settings, for example, the camera settings or the notification settings will just disappear out of nowhere. Now, to fix that, all you basically have to do is just delete TikTok from your phone, install it again, log into your account, and you can either just go back to the TikTok settings in your settings, and then the camera setting right here will show up, or you can just go record a video and then it will ask you to give access to your camera. So yeah, that is basically it. So yeah, you just have to reinstall it if this right here does not show up, and that will just fix it. So I hope this video helped you out. Please leave a like and let me know in the comments if it worked, and I'll see you next time. Have a good day.